Not every donation needs to trigger everything. Fire an alert for every $5 gift and your team learns to ignore all of them. Conditions let a webhook fire only when it actually matters. Every subscription has a Conditions tab. Leave it empty and the webhook fires on every matching event. Add conditions and it only fires when your rules are met. Rules in one group use and, so all of them must be true. Separate groups use or, so any group can match. You can filter on 11 fields. Donation amount, status, and payment gateway. Donor country and whether they opted into your newsletter. The campaign, its category, even who created it. Let's build one. Say you only want to hear about major gifts from your subscribers. Add a group, then a rule, donation total greater than $100. Add a second rule in the same group, newsletter opt-in is yes. Because they share a group, both must be true. A big gift from someone on your list. Now add a second group for a different case entirely. Any gift to your Clean Water Fund campaign, whatever the amount. The groups are joined by or, so a donation matches if it is a major gift from a subscriber or any gift to that campaign. Save, then open, test, and debug and test against a real donation. You will see it match the gifts you want and skip the ones you don't. Conditions turn a fire hose into exactly the signal you want. Have an automation you'd like us to build next? Reach our team anytime at wpcharitable.com. For more charitable tutorials, visit wpcharitable.com/documentation.